Hello my dear YouTube family, I hope you are doing well. In this video I am going to tell you how to create gig at Fiverr. You know, Fiverr is an online earning platform. So I will start by clicking create new gig. You will click here and you will type the title of your gig. If for example you are expert in graphic designing or any other service you are providing, so you will type here like for example I will type here I will be your expert virtual assistant. Since I am providing services of virtual assistant, so I will make according to my own choice and you can do it as per your service you are providing. I will be your expert virtual assistant. I will type here and next I will click the category and subcategory. You can choose your category. For example, if your gig is related to graphic design, you will select this. If it is related to digital marketing, you will select this, and then you will select here subcategory. Since I am creating gig for the virtual assistant, so I will type here virtual assistant, and under service type I will type I will select here general assistance, and you can select here the purpose, work type, weekly assistant, monthly retainer. You have to select all the options if you would like to do so, and here you have to carefully choose the keywords and which will attract the buyers to your gig. So I will type here remote assistant. The trending keyword you can search from Google as well. Remote assistant, 5 keywords are allowed. So second I will type here Excel sheet, lead generation, or something related to your gig. So I've just selected 3. You can choose 5 tags as per your choice, and then click and save. I will simply copy some options not to make video too much long. So from existing gig, in this step you have to offer the package. For example, which services you are offering, brief description like I have just written here I will do 2 hours of data entry, data mining, web research. You will type here the services you are providing. Okay, and this one as well. You can also differentiate among 3 services, basic, standard and premier, because the price and delivery time will be different. You can name like silver, golden, diamond. I will type here for your understanding the name of the package you are offering. For example, basic package is named as silver, and this is golden standard package, and this is diamond, for example. This is just for your understanding. You can type as per your own choice, and I will select 1 day delivery for basic or silver option, 2 day delivery for this, and 3 day delivery for this. And here I will select the rate like $5 for the basic package, and $20 for the standard package, and $50 for the premier package. And I will click save and continue. Then you have to describe your gig, the services you are offering. I will simply copy and paste. You can type your own. There are around 6 steps for the gig overview. Let me repeat the things. Here you have to type the title, all the things I have just told you. Then pricing we have just set. Then description, I will simply copy paste, but you can type your own. You can also adjust some changes in your description. Here you can see the things I am doing, and you have to type the details of your work you are offering to attract the buyers. It should be very attractive text, and you should mention the services you have done previously or you are doing currently for your customer, and then click save. And here under requirements you have to just add one question. I usually make it not required, but you can tick the required. It is when someone orders at your gig, so they will be asked this question. For example, I will just type here describe the requirements, describe the requirements of the work. So you can type your own question as per your choice, like contact me to discuss the detail of the work or something like that. Save and continue. And finally you have to upload here the image. For example, I have already saved some image with me. Let me put this image under cover image. You can design your image in PowerPoint or any other application like Canva or something, photo editing application, and you have to create it very attractive to get some good impressions and click for your gigs. And here you can select the services you have recently done or the projects you have done. One thing you have to make sure that this should come under dimensions as per your requirements or as required by the Fiverr. Like it should be, I think, 1260 multiply 769 pixel, otherwise it will give you error. So save and continue. One more thing I forgot to tell you, like here you can upload the video as well and documents in PDF form as well for the sample project you have done. So save and continue. Here simply click the publish gig and your gig will go live at Fiverr, and you can see here this one. Yes, so in this way your gig will go live, and you can see here the title of the gig we have just created. These are the two previous gigs I had created. So in next video I will tell you how to get the orders or the other things that you want me to do. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video.